Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it just yesterday. So some updates here that definitely need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of this line down here, some house cleaning. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place and risk causing clutter and confusion. So we'll try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that doesn't need to be made comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, talked about 0055 as resistance, but now that the price has gotten up above it, that would be the ideal level that you want to see act as support. In the event it doesn't hold above it, not the end of the world, because you still do have plenty of other areas of support, even below 0055. The next one being the 50 period simple moving average, and then not that far later, you have the 200 period simple moving average. So point being, there's quite a few levels of support now, given that the price has been able to make a move upwards. Now let's talk about areas of resistance. Nothing new here to report, assuming you watched yesterday's video, but still, it's definitely within the scope here. It's definitely within striking distance, and that's up at 0062, which is being denoted by the red line right here. So you can see a nice final 30 minutes, and the price is, within range of breaking through that, or at least giving it a go. So in the event, though, it does break through it, I do want to get the next level of resistance mapped out just in case there's any sort of bigger move that may happen. So if the price can push through 0062, next key overall area of resistance to keep an eye on up there at 0067. So 0062, 0067, the next couple areas of resistance. But all in all, the price went out on that battle that we were tracking last week between those two moving averages, and now it's starting to grind back upward. So yeah, slow and steady, just keep building higher bases, and I'll be back over and over again, changing each of these red lines to green lines. So yeah, just focus on building higher lows and let the overall move do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.